At 5:33, new this morning, a man who police say is behind a string of attacks on subways and subway platforms is on the run. Eyewitness News reporter Tony Yates live on the Upper West Side with the video the police want you to see. Good morning, Tony.
Yes, Ken, and you know, these are extremely violent robberies, heartless, brutal attacks that have left 4 people injured. 4 attacks, and that suspect begins by asking someone what time it is. Now, you're looking at surveillance video from the first one. That was on July 23rd. The suspect attacked a man on the southbound C train near St. Nicholas Avenue and West 125th Street. That man suffered a broken jaw and a broken eye socket. Then on July 25th, a 57-year-old man on the northbound C train was attacked and left with a punctured lung and broken ribs. And then on July 26th, on the platform of the northbound C train near Frederick Douglass Boulevard and West 116th Street, a man was beaten up, but the suspect was not able to steal any of the man's property. And then the latest attack happening just yesterday, a 27-year-old man on the southbound A train was robbed, and then he suffered several injuries to his face. This is where we're at right now, West 110th and Cathedral Parkway. 3 of these happening in Harlem, 1 of them happening on the Upper West Side right now. Police do not have any suspects. They believe this is the same person doing this because it is a pattern. They're asking anyone who has any information who may be able to identify this man to call police. For now, we are live on the Upper West Side. Tony Yates, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.